I'm about to rock out in my shoes. I got nothing to lose. All right, here we go, ladies. Here we go. 30 seconds. We're coming in hard and fast like a plane because y'all are nasty and you should be all thinking in the gutter. I need that commercial red. And where's my article at? Hold on. Why did it disappear, damn it? Don't read any of the according to stuff, dates or times. Okay, except for the way station on January 21st in the second paragraph. I don't want you to waste a bunch of time on because they tell the story. The biggest thing you need to understand is that he was arrested and jailed in Idaho over hauling 7,000 pounds of 7,000 pounds of non psychoactive hemp, like industrial hemp, 7,000 pounds of industrial hemp, and they charged him with it like as if it was THC hemp. And he's just a truck driver. Like his haul record says exactly what's in it. Like he never denied anything or anything. He was hauling it from Oregon. Ready? Call the judge in. I'll call the judge in. Here we go. Good morning, America.
Yeah, Wiki Babe.
That's right. It's Wake Make America brought to you by a vape shop located a half a block east of Academy on Maysland. Check them out. Of course, it is time for case number. Man, the judge gonna yell at me. I forgot the case number, Cammy. Where is it at? 84. Mm-hmm. I just don't want to get yelled at by the judge. He's an angry little Southern pro-cannabis judge. He's mean. He's about to get replaced by the Honorable Trey Barr, who is from Massachusetts and a big D. But he's all for cannabis. Let's do this. Let's get the judge in here. It's time for the cannabis from the Canaphiles, case number 0083. Order, order, order in this here court. This is the Honorable Trey Sessions, and I am presiding over the court of cannabis in the county of cannabis, in the city of cannabis, in the country of cannabis. And we have district attorneys, the dear Kimmy Renee in Savannah, Indiana. Ladies, please present your case.
All right, so police seized almost 7,000 pounds of cannabis from a truck, but the company that bought it says it's all legal. In reference to it, it's actually hemp, am I correct? And
oh, deal.
So the Colorado company that bought the plants in Oregon says it's legal hemp, but the truck driver caught in the middle is now facing felony marijuana trafficking charges.
Oh my
Like, this is crazy. If you look at the actual, like, receipt or the
shipping.
the shipping, it shows.
We will enter into evidence as the country as we should and declare that this case may need to be thrown out immediately in the cannabis court, because I do find that if it is just hemp, this man falls under the 2018 Farm Bill.
Yeah. Rolling into the East Boise point of entry way station on January 24th is when this happened. Dennis Polomachek's tractor trailer was stopped by an Idaho state trooper to conduct a routine inspection. The truck's bill of lading listed the goods being hauled as hemp. So I don't understand how they could try to convict him of something that clearly says that it's hemp and it's by a company that is back through the Farm Bill.
Which state?
Junior
Idaho.
District Attorney in Savannah, what do you have to say about Idaho?
Okay, Idaho. Your mom's a hoe.
Order, sure.
No, I'm gonna say what I want.
So what they're trying to say is that the officer opened up 31 shipping bags in the rig and did a narcotic identification kit, tested the sample, and it came back positive, of course, for THC. Savannah. But a drug sniffing canine also demonstrated a positive alert on the cargo.
Know why?
But it's hemp. Yeah, I mean, it's still gonna.
It's so low that you can eat like a pound of it and it's not gonna have any effect.
Right.
Because it is so low. We have just discovered somebody just created a hemp plant that has absolutely no THC now.
Right.
It's like if you knew anything about this plant.
The worst part about all this is this poor guy spent 4 days in jail.
Oh no!
And was released after
suing.
posting a $100,000 bond.
No.
And that was a cash-only bond by the state of Idaho. You are now on trial to start Idaho.
Terrible. I mean, it shows right here how it looks in the rig of the of the tractor trailer.
It don't even smell the same.
No. That's crazy.
Are you serious?
They're trying
He
to
better
say
be
that he's
suing.
going to serve at least 5 years in prison and pay a minimum of $15,000 fine.
Order, order. I will give the only definition of jail time other than every other judge in this country.
Oh no, he better be getting a hold of his company, and either his company, his rig company best be doing something, or the company that bought it best be doing something
Yeah.
for him,
Yeah.
or something, because
Absolutely.
somebody needs sued. A
Or
few
somebody,
people.
the company of Colorado must
What I
step in
love
and help
most-
this man.
Yep.
I love CNN even more right now because after, explaining the case, they talk about
CNN is blasphemy.
all of the things that are against the police officers doing what they
Yeah.
did. Talking about hemp can't get you high. There's another part, that's talking about the scientific side of what's in hemp,
Yeah.
and like
They're
so.
obviously all
I have to say, I'm
conservatives.
sorry, but kudos to CNN. I'm really
Yeah.
proud of them
Good
for
for
that.
them.
I will have to rule no kudos to CNN because they news outlet do them. I'm not giving them nothing. But what I will give kudos to is that we find in favor of the defendant and find that the state of Iowa has been and come to forthhand violation of the 2018 Farm Bill and has seized 7,000 pounds of pot headed for Colorado unlawfully.
The most important fact here is when farmers' hemp is tested, it is literally at a THC level of 0.043, which is lower than the federal legal limit, which
Order! You
which is-
cannot get
which
high.
is 0.3%. So
Let's go to Brett.
it's blazing.
It's a turn.
I don't know how he won't win that case.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Oh
he's
no,
gonna win
you
this
know that
because
he has lawyers calling him out the ass right now. They're like, look, if you win this, don't even worry about it. He's like, don't worry about paying me until after.
What do you guys think about that story, though? Tell the truth. Did that guy get shafted or what?
Yeah, terrible.
Straight in the bunghole, metaphorically.
He's gonna win
lawyers
this
calling
case,
him,
though.
going, look, don't even worry
If he
about
does
Oh,
it,
he's got like,
He's
hey,
like, don't
hey,
worry
hey.
about it.
You know who he's got calling him? Just shut the fuck up.
Team, shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up. Don't say a fucking word. Just shut. Hey, Cammy, tell him. Shut the fuck up. And you gonna get out of his team. Shut the fuck up. You need a man. Help him.